Hey everyone, so I have a gummy vitamin review. This is Nature's Truth Men's Multivitamin Gummies. These are from Menards. They were 70 count. According to the website is $12.99. And if you get them on the 11%, they're $11.56 if you get 11% off. Let's go check it out. Tastes like those fruit snacks in the pack you get when you were a kid. Those type of fruit snacks. And like little packs. I'm about to eat 2 of them a day. And the thing with gummies is that they're easier to swallow. If it is a gummy, and then they're easier to swallow as well. So, yeah, man. Yeah, I like them. And they do have a lot of health benefits too. Just like a multivitamin would. Do they taste decent? Yeah, decent. I'll give them probably a 9 out of 10. I give them a 9 out of 10. Not the best multivitamin I've had. They do taste pretty decent, so select them.